So, you've finally saved up your first $1,000. Congratulations. Most people never even get to this point. But now comes the scary part. What do you actually do with it? In 2026, the world of investing looks different. Inflation, high interest rates, and the explosion of artificial intelligence have changed the game. If you just leave that $1,000 in a traditional savings account, you are actively losing money to inflation every single day. In this video, I am going to give you a simple 3-step blueprint to turn that $1,000 into a wealth-building machine. We aren't going to talk about high-risk gambling or get-rich-quick schemes. We are going to talk about proven methods. Step 1 is the most important. Before you buy a single stock, you must have your financial house in order. Do you have high-interest credit card debt? If you are paying 20% interest, you are losing money by investing. Pay off the high-interest debt first. That is a guaranteed return on your money. Once that's done, make sure you have a small emergency fund. You don't want to be forced to sell investments at a loss. Step 2 is choosing where the money lives. In 2026, you have incredible options. If you are in the US, look into a Roth IRA. This is a retirement account where your money grows completely tax-free. If you invest that $1,000 today and it grows to $50,000 by retirement, you owe no taxes. If you aren't in the US, look for your country's equivalent of a tax-advantaged account. If you just want flexibility, a standard taxable brokerage account like Vanguard, Fidelity, or Charles Schwab works perfectly. Step 3 is the what. What do you actually buy? With $1,000, don't try to pick the next moonshot stock. You want a foundation. For most beginners in 2026, I recommend the total market approach. Buying an ETF like VTI, the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, gives you a piece of over 3,500 companies. You get the stability of Apple and Microsoft, combined with the explosive potential of small-cap companies. If you want to be a bit more aggressive because you believe tech will continue to dominate, you could split that $1,000. Put $700 into VTI for safety, and $300 into QQQM to capture the growth of Nasdaq technology and AI innovators. This 70-30 split is one of the most effective ways for a beginner to start. The most important thing to remember is that investing is a marathon, not a sprint. That first $1,000 is your seed. You've planted it. Now you need to water it. The secret to wealth isn't finding the perfect stock, it's consistency. If you can add just $100 or $200 to that account every single month, compound interest looks like magic. In 20 or 30 years, that small start will grow into a life-changing amount of money. The biggest mistake you can make right now is waiting. Waiting for the perfect time to buy or for the market to dip. Time in the market always beats timing the market. You have the plan, you have the money, and now you have the knowledge. If you're ready to take action, let me know in the comments. What is the first ETF or stock you're planning to buy? If you found this step-by-step guide helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to join our community of long-term investors. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.